Hi, it's August 13th, 2025. I have game data loaded on a personal calendar over here. I've sent that game data into the AWS Counter-Invite server. The AWS Counter-Invite server is talking to a application called countersnack.com. And the bridge in between it is a set of APIs that communicates between these two parties, the Counter client itself, the CalendarSnack app, and then its APIs that we've built to send out calendar invites. We can send calendar invites in RSVP buttons, as in like here. We could show you RSVP buttons. When someone copies this code, say from MailChimp, for a particular event, view the link, copy it, they insert it into a call to action button into MailChimp, they click the button, they get the calendar invite. So that's kind of where we're at. Now what I'm doing here in particular is I'm going to go back up to the dashboard. We're going to view upcoming events. There's 33 upcoming NFL games loaded in from a personal calendar into the CalendarSnack engine itself. And then in what I'm doing here is I'm going to show you all Carolina Panthers versus the Atlanta Falcons. It's for NFL round 3. That's the data in there. Now this data, as I'm doing my explainers, I'm explaining the fact that it came from this personal calendar. So what happened here is we sent it to create at countersnack.com. We ingested it into this engine over here to the right. Now if I want to update the data in the AWS Counter-Invite server, I can just do an insert like that if I wanted to. That's not the right insert. Let's go grab the data. This is the data up here I want. I'm going to copy this, insert it into the calendar event itself. This calendar event on the personal calendar client, I'm going to send an invitation to create at countersnack.com, and it's going to update the data. So this updated data is going to show up over here in this panel, and I'm just going to save it, and you're going to see it push, and it'll be auto-magically updated here, and you'll see it right here just in a second. And there it is right there. So what happened in the background is we actually sent the data here to the box once. The first time it created a new one and a UID, and then when I went in and updated it and saved it, it pushed the data back to this box. And then we updated the data, and then talking to the APIs, it went to the event organizer dashboard and updated the data in it. Now, to prove that this is a live demo, you'll see that the updated data here, right here to the right, if I expand the accordion over, make this a little bit bigger, y'all can see it. Let me just do a larger image here on the screen live, and you'll see that I updated it once. That shows a live update in a theater. Now, if I wanted to go back and show you how update 2 would work, it'd be as simple as going back to the Carolina Panthers. I would go here into the Panther calendar invitation that's on a personal calendar for Mandy. And what I would do is I could change this booth invite number to 981. So I change it from 983 to 981. I'll push it again. It's going to send data to the AWS Counter-Invite server. It's going to tear it apart and insert a data insert update into this file here. And when I hit return, you'll see it turn to 981 from 983. That's how this portion of the change data update works, with the CalendarSnack engine talking to the APIs of the Counter-Invite server. So when you go build out real-time dashboards to send calendar invites, say with upcoming landing pages, and I click this button here, we're actually changing data. In particular, that was, I believe, the Carolina Panthers here, and you can see that I changed this data to 981. So this data here essentially changes across the APIs in which we've built, so you can send out these upcoming landing page or build RSVP buttons in MailChimp as well. So if I go down here, you'll see that I can actually view a button for the Carolina Panthers. I could copy it. I could insert that into a MailChimp campaign, and when someone clicked that button, they would get a calendar invite with the updated information in it for the Carolina Panthers versus the Atlanta Falcons for that particular promo. That's the end of the demo.